Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Actually today we're going to unbox DIGITEK mini tripod. Actually this product this is the cheapest product actually. You can get per rupees 319 rupees during the Amazon sale. So I just ordered it 2 days back. I got the product now. So let's unbox. Okay. Yeah, here is the product, guys. I thought it's very small actually, but it's kind of you can see, right? Actually the chair size, it's almost my hand size. Okay. DIGITEK portable mini tripod. So it can hold like maximum of 1 kg, and also like it has an operating height of 7.87 inch, and yeah, it's a 5.11 inch maximum operating height. I mean, this is a mini maximum and this is a minimum. Okay, and the foldable lens, and okay, and weight is 141 grams only, and it has 2 sections. Not sure. Let's see what's inside. Okay, the one more thing is actually they're giving a mobile holder for free. Basically, like if you want to get this one, actually you need to spend some 150 rupees or 200 rupees. Okay. And this is the box. This is the tripod we have. Actually, it's it's not very small, guys. It can be expanded like this. You can take like this. And there is arrangement. Actually, you can. Can connect the mobile, or you can connect the mobile or camera or GoPro or anything. Okay, so there is a really compatible. Or you can hold like this, for example, if you want to take some the footage or product, okay, or kind of a selfie, okay. You can use as a selfie for this. You can hold the mobile and shoot the film like this. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. Actually, I'll leave link in the description below. If you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase this product. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions, you can post in the comment section. And thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.